Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Sling TV subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming live TV. Step 1. Visit sling.com using your web browser or download the Sling TV app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click Sign Up or Start Free Trial on the homepage to begin the registration process. Step 3. Choose your Sling TV package. Options include Sling Orange, Sling Blue, or a combined package with both services. Step 4. Customize your subscription by adding any premium channels or extra packages you want, such as sports, news, or lifestyle channels. Step 5. Create your Sling TV account by entering your email address and creating a secure password. Step 6. Provide your billing information, including credit card details or PayPal account, to activate your subscription. Step 7. Review your selected package, add-ons, and total monthly cost before confirming your subscription. Step 8. After confirmation, log in to the Sling TV app on your streaming device using your new account credentials. Your subscription is now active and you can immediately start watching live TV and on-demand content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.